everybody, guess what I'm doing? I am ghetto brewing my coffee this morning. And the reason that I'm doing this shit is because this damn thing broke yesterday. And you know what makes it even worse? Is that I had just bought some of this Folgers black silk the day before. So I woke up this morning all excited. I had actually been dreaming about sipping on this all night. But I woke up in the morning and flipped the on button, and the light came on, but the damn thing didn't work. So it's like somebody shot me in the stomach with a big 50 cal slug. Okay, so it pretty much ruined my day, and I'm trying to salvage it by doing this stupid shit. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Oh shit. Fuck. Look at that. It figures. It figures something would happen. You know, I've got like the worst luck out of anybody I know. Who am I kidding? I don't believe in that shit anyway. You know what that looks like? Some diarrhea doo-doo puke. That is some nasty looking shit. It sure does smell good though. I'm about to drink it. Wow. Okay, well, we're gonna have another taste test in a minute. Alright, I brewed the coffee ghetto style. I've got my happy birthday mug. This stuff looks black as hell, which is a good thing because I'm half alive right now. Too many technical difficulties have come up this week while I'm trying to just get a decent cup of coffee. Alright? I don't like having to leave in the morning and go into McDonald's or go on a Hardee's to get some coffee, because I've had to change my whole workout routine. I had to start doing it before I go to bed because I haven't been. I like to do it in the morning, but the thing is, I like to drink my coffee before I do a workout, you know? Or else I'm not even going to be able to do anything. I won't have enough energy. So, here goes nothing. Well, that tastes basically the same as if it came out of a coffee maker. Oh, God. Well, let me drink this, because I'm sure this hasn't been a very interesting video, because I'm not even awake. I'm still in the dream world, trying to come out of it.